I turned the camera on with nothing to say.
Huh?
I said I turned the camera on and I ain't had nothing to say.
I know, sometimes you don't get them, and sometimes you depend if they fed something else, they'll try to eat some stuff around or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And I told her, I said, well, I'm not ready. I don't want that. I want some stuff, the good stuff out of y'all. And me and him gonna have more.
Why this camera keep zooming in and out, I never know. It's zooming in and out.
Yeah. Come on in.
No, that's me. So you got to hold it with this hand.
Oh, that's him. Well, you got Cameron in the house where he's going with. And we ain't hurting. We ain't hurting. But you got to keep it in that thing for to find out how is it coming through there. You got your other one? Why? Well, come out. You had to come out the other day.
Well, I don't know, girl.
Yeah, who does? And how many cars out there?
Outside in the yard.
I think that's what they is. Out in the yard. And you got to get a card and wipe this table off and get it off and go out. Well, that's a big piece of stuff.
Thank you.
That's when they were when they went in the street. You know, there's that bank was still in there. Tell me about where I am. I said, I don't want you to tell me what I am. I know what I want to go and do. She ain't even cut her yet, though. I'm going to put one over here so I don't like it when you scream it for some weird words like that. Excuse me. I need it's on Kenya's part to see what she got down here around here. What is she thinking she is going to do?
No.
Did me and Mama Kenny speak. We were on that. I said she needs to know what to go ahead and learn how to do it. You know, I'm not talking about she doing some shit. You got to go in and do something. Shit. That's bad. I mean, that ain't even bad. Bobby. I know it's not around your mess with it. You know, come into my daddy.
I'm saying, how them mukbang people be making them videos and be slurping in food. Food be running all up and down they face.
We had one with son out there. He
Oh Lord.
We run him. I said, run his ass out. No, please excuse me. They put him out. Cause if he can't do that with nobody, he don't need nobody. We ain't trying to make no puff for him. That's simple. He ain't it. We ain't trying to knock no for somebody else when he out there looking like he ain't got nothing. If you ain't got nothing, you go sit down and check, then that check or whatever. And whatever you say you were gonna put on the water, I ain't put no water on there. I know anything. And I'm gonna have this living room come. That person gonna pull out, you know that.
I showed him.
I do want that, and I want my stuff done. I don't want the boy that's buying and I can't find it. Yeah. That look.